Righto guys, so today in the workshop we had the 79 series double cab Landcruiser. I thought it'd be a good one to show you, so let's run through the vehicle and see all the accessories that this customer's fitted out. So on the front end we've got an ARB bull bar with its supporting brush rails coming right through the vehicle there, as well as on the front an attachment for the GME two-way radio antenna just up the front and a pair of steely lights. Now the wheels are ROH wheels and they're wrapped in a Mickey Thompson Baja tire. Now that is a 33-inch tire. The suspension on this vehicle is Old Man Emu 2-inch lift basically through the whole thing. And the other thing to note is with the larger white or silver indicator, this vehicle is sporting a GVM upgrade as well. It's one of the requirements when you do a GVM upgrade. Now on the rear of this car we've got a MITS Alloy Canopy and it came up an absolute treat. Huge amount of storage and space. We've got the nice big toolboxes on the sides, and this one over here is supporting an ARB twin air compressor, just pumping up those tires extremely quickly. We've got two spare wheels on the back with a pair of crash pad dirty gear bags or rubbish bags, so you can actually store things in the back there. On the top of the vehicle is the Rhino Rack roof rack. And today we had the privilege of installing our 270 XT MAX Awning, as well as an AX27 rooftop tent and a Bush Company set of solar panel brackets supporting a 180 watt solar panel. Now on the inside of the canopy, that solar panel is going to feed through the Red Arc and Red Vision system. So this is supporting a Manager 30, so that'll be a 30 amp DC-DC charger, as well as a 2000 watt inverter on the output. We've got two inline connected in parallel will be your two lithium batteries over there, so probably at least 200 amp hours, and a full Red Vision display screen, giving you the monitoring of all your power usages, inputs and outputs. Really handy bit of kit. One thing I do like on this canopy, just to note, is the large water tank with a really easy access self-draining tap there that is not plumbed in. So handy to have a plumbed in section, but also a gravity feed in case the electrical pump fails. Now on the inside, a massive Bushman fridge over there, going to be storing all those bits of food and cold beverages. On the side, a nice Nespresso coffee machine, and that's going to run the little coffee pods, which are right here, easy to get to, super easy. So this tray pulls out all the way, as well as a little work surface there. So in the fridge, on the coffee machine, brekkie on the go. Now let me close this up and get onto our awnings and our tents. Now on the other side of the canopy, there's a huge void of space, just extra space for packing, which is fantastic for all your luggage and so on the other side of the canopy, absolutely massive. Now accessing this tent will be pretty easy coming off the rear ladder, which is supplied with the MITS Alloy Canopy. So when it comes to the ladder, super easy access, and it's really nice that we've mounted the tent slightly forward, giving us a little bit of a platform here, so you'll be able to attach your spring rods and open the tent really safely. So simply undo the latches, pop the tent up, it'll do all the heavy lifting for you, and then just bring down the bungee cord into position like that. Now as far as the spring rods go, we'll be able to just hook that into the eyelet, take it out to the corner like that, and simply place it into the stainless steel insert. Now on this spring rod, you'll see we've actually bent in the dog leg because this awning is in an upward position. So I'm going to start off by placing that in the corner first, and then just bending back onto that. And the nice thing is you can really lay into these spring rods and they just go back into their correct position. So that's that one all set up, done and dusted. Now the 270 XT MAX Awning is the largest awning in our range, and it's an absolute monster and a massive amount of shade. But what it has got is a simple two straps which just come down like so and let the canvas just lay down naturally like that. Then you've got your two sets of arms. So the forward folding arms I generally like doing first, and I'll actually take this all the way around and hook it in to the opposite side of the vehicle. Now we've attached a D-ring and a carabiner hook onto the tent itself up in the side, and you can actually simply hook it in like that. Now I'll come back and do the final adjustment on this one. Generally I like taking it to about the 180 degree mark, so in a straight line with the vehicle. Then grab the rear arms and simply walk the rear arm all the way around like such, and I will be attaching this onto this opposite side and tension that up, and this one actually pulled in pretty well first time. Now you can see final adjustments, getting rid of a little bit of slack in the middle will just tension up the front awning. You don't have to over tighten the awnings, as a slightly looser awning is not a bad thing at all. You're not putting extra tension on any of the seams. Guys, that's our 270 Max awning. Massive rear clearing in the center there, perfect for these style doors. So as you can see, the door opens up right up into the awning void over there, giving you all the accessibility and space onto this vehicle. Now, thanks for watching this run through of this lovely 79 series double cab vehicle. For more information on our product, go to thebushcompany.com. Don't forget to go bush, and I'll catch you later.